What's up mga kabilat? Bago lang ko na humanog ka ng himo sa video sa akong manghod nga project niya sa eskwelahan. Ako naghimo, wala ko'y bayad. I mean, dako kog effort ani pero sa colors, bahala na siya. And sa ending, gamay na lang ko bureaus, pero proud ko ani.
Good ako sa panhandling. I am very much against panhandling.
Sir, maayo ko sir, kasi kami nakahinabang sir.
The Philippines has a significant number of homeless people, estimated to be around 4.5 million, and many of these individuals resort to panhandling to survive.
Dahil wala nang yun, kaya kapalit ang buga.
Panhandling is more prevalent in urban areas when there's a higher concentration of people and economic disparities, particularly in major cities like Manila, Davao, and our very own Cebu City.
Need dog action para matabangan ang
The ethical dilemma revolves around whether it's morally right to give money to panhandlers, or whether it perpetuates dependence, encourages homelessness, and may enable negative behaviors. But should people be generous, or should they direct their donations to organizations that help the homeless?
To dig deeper into this ethical dilemma, we interviewed two people with opposing views on this matter.
I am Eden and I am very much against panhandling and panhandlers.
Ako si Nani. Ako nagtuo nga ang mga tao nga walay kapuy-an, nasad sila'y right. Oy nga, mangayo kung ibutang manggod sa organization, dili ta sure kung ihatag ba po sa organization ngadto nila.
For me, gusto ko mas ipaagi nga to sa organization kay kaibaw sila kung asa nila ug unsa ilang paliton nga ikahatag nila para sa mga nangayo. Katong mga nagpangayo, hayahay ra jud kaayo. Example, makakita makakuan sila og 400 ingana white tax nya ila rang gamiton sa ilaharang gusto. Nya pagkauma ngayon pag sila upalit, way hago. Nang lisod kayo ang kuan nga atong ihatag ngadto direkta nila.
Along the streets of Cebu City, we found Ate Criselda, and according to her, it is not always that there are organizations that would give direct help to her and her children.
Kaya ato sa miyo, kaya tagaan sa mi sa usa ka siman, usa ka buwan, kaya wala ka. Mutsantat sila.
She even said that there are some days that they'd go on without food, leading to panhandling.
Mo tuling ani na lang ko, nilakaw na lang ko para lang yun na ako kapaong sa anak.
It is one very human thing to give to people. And when we hear stories like Ate Criselda's, it's hard not to feel the need to give.
Para na ako, ang paghatag og limos directly is an act of empathy and charity. Unya, kitakpot nga naghatag og tabang is satisfied pud ta nga makatabang ta sa atong isig ka tao.
But the question remains, does panhandling perpetuate dependence?
Sa una, nagpamid man ko niya. Karon kay, walang dyan mo pamid kay ako na kaayo.
From a purely financial standpoint, it could appear like an easy way to make money for someone who is desperate or in immediate need. But how do people with normal day-to-night jobs feel about this?
Dinigod sa ato sa Philippines kasagaran mga nanarbaho. Kasagaran din mag-uuma, mangingisda o mga nanarbaho nya maggipangayo. Unya pag ando di ay to gigamit sa dili insakto nga paggamit. Manang di ko ganahan anak. Akong gipatud-an og singot og sipon og luha og tanan nga moto para lang ko makakwarta. Manang og na ako'y i-share, akong isiguro nga mapahiluna paghatag.
And so in this rather confusing journey of asking ourselves if it's fit to give directly or to reserve our money, we asked people what's the best way to help panhandlers.
If na ko'y power nga makahatag og like trabaho or kanang sustainable na job para maka-sustain sa ilang kanang cost of living sa matag adlaw.
Anamang ko'y panultihon, dili nato tagaan kanunay sa isda nga pagkaon ang usa ka tawo kung dili tun-an nato sila unsaon pagpangisda aron pag tuyok-tuyok sa panahon nakamao sila pagpaningkamot para sa ilang kaugalingon di magsalig sa gitunol kanunay sa tao. Okay man na ako ko'y problema anang muhatag ta og tabang pero dili pud nang mauna lagi himong trabaho ang pagpangayo.
Now, how does panhandling relate to ethical principles and present a moral dilemma? Well, panhandling connects to virtue ethics and utilitarianism. Virtue ethics focuses on the character and intentions behind the act. Giving to a panhandler may reflect kindness and compassion, but it also raises questions about responsibility and whether the action truly helps them thrive. On the other hand, utilitarianism looks at the consequences, whether giving money reduces immediate suffering or if directing help to organizations leads to greater overall well-being by addressing long-term issues like homelessness and addiction. Both theories provide insight into the moral complexity of this dilemma.
Panhandling remains a significant challenge in the Philippines, especially in urban centers like Manila, Davao, and Cebu City. While giving money directly to panhandlers provide immediate relief, it may perpetuate dependence and fail to address the root cause of panhandling. A more sustainable approach is to focus on supporting organizations and programs that provide long-term solutions such as housing, education, and job training. To address this issue, the government and private organizations must invest in affordable housing projects and skill development programs to help individuals reintegrate into society. Donating to NGOs and charities that focus on homelessness and panhandling ensures resources are used effectively to provide lasting support. Public awareness campaigns can educate people in sustainable ways to help, encouraging them to prioritize long-term solutions over short-term handouts. Additionally, strengthening government social welfare programs such as healthcare and unemployment benefits can reduce economic pressure that leads to panhandling. Communities can also contribute by organizing local initiatives such as temporary shelters or meal programs to foster a collective effort in addressing the problem. By combining compassion with systemic action, society can create a meaningful change.